Today we are looking at an Oliver 240 gravity table. We've just finished up the work on this unit. We worked this unit up for a customer in Chile. Before I fire it up, I'm going to do a walk around of it for you. We went through this unit. We checked over all of the wear components. Anything that takes wear over time was checked and is in good shape. This unit is ready to run and perform. This unit is equipped with a counterbalance system that makes the unit run very smooth. All of the controls on this unit are free and work as they should. That is the shake speed adjustment there. These are your airflow controls. They're free. All of them work. This unit has a grease bank. This makes servicing the bearings easy and convenient. These grease zerds here service the bearings that are hard to get to, extends the life of your bearings and makes it an overall better machine. We fabricated a brand new hopper for this unit. You can see down inside of it there. That hopper was made brand new by us. That controls the flow of grain into the machine there. This is an all-around good unit. I've popped one of the filters off. You can see the underside of the unit. It's very clean. We thoroughly pressure washed this unit and it is ready for export. We replaced these clamp rods here. We made those brand new. There is one on each side. This is equipped with the coated mesh for large grains. This deck is in good shape and has a lot of life left in it. We replaced the V-belts on this unit. It has new drive belts. The hood on this unit is in good shape. This helps control the dust that comes off of the grain as it's being transferred over the gravity table. You can see the motorized blender here. It's in good shape. This is just an all-round good unit, ready to go out and perform for a long time. We are going to fire the unit up for you now. You can see the unit starts right up. Now, because this unit isn't bolted down, there's some excess vibration going through the machine. To operate this unit properly, it has to be bolted down to a solid floor. But we're going to run it right now as a demonstration. Again, when this unit is bolted to a solid floor, a lot of the vibration will go out of the unit. See everything running. The unit runs good. All of the motors run good. Everything starts strong, runs cool. There are no irregular noises. Just an all-around good unit. Ready to go out and perform for a long time. Thank you for watching.